My sister received this plant when her husband passed recently. She loves plants, however. This plant had no tag and we have no idea what it is or how to care for it. Can it be planted outdoors? And this is from Miss Joy. So, Miss Susie, what do we think that is?
Well, that plant is called China Doll, and it's a tropical plant, and it's grown for its foliage. It's got beautiful leaves, shiny, and so it would need to be treated as a house plant.
Okay.
It would need to be cared for just like you would any house plant, repotted when it's 2-pot bound, put in indirect light, but good light, and watered when it needs it with the reserve. And it also, we forget on houseplants, we need to fertilize them.
Yeah.
A good balanced fertilizer. In this case, because it's grown for its foliage,
Right.
it would need a particular foliage balanced fertilizer. And she should be able to keep it for years, but you can't just leave it and water it and expect it to be flourishing. It needs to be cared for.
Okay. How often should you fertilize, you think?
I use a half solution, a real weak solution, so I can fertilize every week. When and it depends on if it's a foliage grown plant or if it's a flowering plant. The other thing, a simple thing to do, is turn it every time you water it so it keeps looking round rather than flat.
That's something to think about. All right. I hadn't mentioned that before. Okay, but definitely indoor.
Indoor.
Tropical. I've seen it a lot in the florist trade, of course. But it's a beautiful plant, you know, the glossy green leaves.
It's a nice memorial plant too, because you can keep it alive for a long time.
Okay. All right, but indirect, like we want folks to know that. Indirect. Right. Okay. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.